You're watching the latest weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets. The US dollar edged lower against other major currencies last week. Investors remain cautious amid ongoing uncertainty over the fate of a US tax reform plan, ahead of a series of speeches by central bank officials. Central bankers are meeting at an ECB conference this week to discuss the importance of public communications, as commentators note the profound effect that their statements can have. The Senate Finance Committee is due to start working on the tax reform bill during the week. Republicans had initially hoped to hold a final vote on the bill by Thanksgiving next week, but analysts expressed some doubt at the timeline. The euro strengthened against the dollar, while the yen was little changed last week. A transitional deal allowing the UK to continue trading with the EU after Brexit is a key aspect of the ongoing negotiations between the EU and UK. Business representatives from the UK met with British Prime Minister Theresa May on Monday, urging her to get that deal. The GBP USD was little changed last week, but exhibited a strong volatility. Bitcoin ended the week lower. Developers behind the SegWit 2x upgrade announced last Wednesday that they were suspending plans for the upgrade. On the other hand, CME Group Chairman Terry Duffy said that the derivatives exchange operator could list a planned Bitcoin futures product as early as the second week of December. Prices of the yellow metal ended mostly unchanged last week. However, uncertainty over the outlook for tax reforms in the United States and a slightly declining dollar support the gold price. Oil prices were little changed last week, showing a slight downtrend as the prospect of further rises in US output undermined ongoing OPEC-led production cuts aimed at tightening the market. On Monday, the US government announced that US shale production for December would rise for a 12th consecutive month. Baker Hughes published on Monday that 9 new drills were added last week. Global oil demand growth looks likely to increase more slowly over the coming months, as warmer temperatures cut consumption. OPEC and its allies prepare to meet this month in Vienna to discuss the extension of the production cut deal. You've been watching the latest weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets.